Got that? Y'all got it back in my hair. Well, anyway, hi. I just got a DSW installed. This is my third install of the same hair, and I love the DSW one because it saves me time, and as we all know, time is money, and my time is precious. It saves me time for her having to do a complete sew-in each time I come. Yes, it is an investment, but it's an investment in yourself. So I encourage you to get a DSW. It's quick, it's easy, it's fun, and the hair is amazing. So yeah, so go ahead and invest in yourself, invest in a DSW, and get it installed by CJ.